Third year English, lecture number 46, topic patriot into traitor, point number 6. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, third year class? I hope you will be fine with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and enjoying a very safe and sound health, and may God keep you safe and healthy forever. Ameen. Welcome back, students, and let's continue our poem. And yesterday beta we read its two stanzas, stanza number 1 and stanza number 2, and today I shall explain stanza number 3. So be attentive, all of you. Now the poet, who is actually the protagonist, or you can say the hero of the poem, he is giving the detail of his own downfall. ठीक है, अपने डाउनफॉल की खुद ही डिटेल बता रहा है, एंड ही इज एक्सप्लेनिंग व्हाट्स हैपन टू हिम आफ्टर 1 year. 1 year before he was welcomed warmly and people were mad for him and they were obeying for him, they were doing everything what did he want. But now after 1 year what happened? So let's see beta. Alack, it was I who leaped at the sun to give it my loving friends to keep. Not man could do, have I felt undone. And you see my harvest, what I reap, this very day, now year is run. Now what is he saying that? Alack means alas, afsos. ठीक है? Leaped means jump. It was I. So what is saying that? It was I who leaped at the sun mean the political leader, he feels sorry at his end. ठीक है? वो अपने एंड पे जो है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अफसोस है उसको, बिकॉज ही मेड टॉल प्रोमिसेस टू पीपल. ही टोल्ड देम दैट ही कुड ब्रिंग द सन फ्रॉम द स्काई फॉर देयर सेक. ठीक है बेटा, वो कहना चाह रहे हैं ना इस लाइन में, इट वॉज आई हु लीप्ड एट द सन. लीप्ड मीन जंप. एक्चुअली बेटा ये तो ऐसा नहीं है कि उसने एक्चुअली जो है वो सन पे जंप किया या सन पे सूरज पे छलांग लग गई, ऐसा नहीं है. कहने का मकसद ये है कि ही मेड फॉल्स प्रोमिसेस टू पीपल. He promised them that he would do impossible things for them, but what happened that he was failed to do that task. Therefore the people, they call him traitor. ठीक है, and to give it my loving friends to keep. उसने उसके बाद क्या किया? He made promises with the public to bring the sun from the sky and offer them to keep it with them. पहले तो उसने कहा कि वो उनके लिए सूरज को लेके आएगा. Then he asked them to keep it विद दैम, कि अपने पास उसको रखें. ठीक है, कि उसने पहले लोग को सूरज देने का वादा किया. देन ही मेड अ प्रॉमिस देम टू कीप द सन अमंग दैम. ठीक है, कि आप वो सूरज को अपने पास रखें. सो व्हाट इज़ द पॉइंट एक्चुअली वांट्स इन दीज लाइन्स इज दैट ही मेड फॉल्स प्रोमिसेस विद हिज पब्लिक बट ही कुड नॉट फुलफिल दैम. Not man, no man could dream of doing such a thing. Not man, no man, कोई भी आदमी. ठीक है. Have I felt undone? Undone mean I tried to do many deeds for them, but I left those deeds undone because he could not complete. He did not, you can say, fulfill his promises. That's why he saying that he felt undone. And you see my harvest, what I did. This very day now year is run. ओके बेटा, हार्वेस्ट, माई हार्वेस्ट मीन माई रिवॉर्ड, माई रिजल्ट. ठीक है, नतीजा जो एक आपका रिवॉर्ड होता है उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. हार्वेस्ट हुई होती है ना बेटा, जैसे आप एक फसल पे काम करते हो. ठीक है, यू सो द सीड्स इन इट, यू वाटर्स द प्लांट्स, वॉट एवर यू डू फॉर गेटिंग अ क्रॉप. ठीक है, तो बेटा जो आपकी क्रॉप होती है, दिस इज़ योर हार्वेस्ट, आपका रिजल्ट है, इट इज़ योर रिवॉर्ड. सो यू सेइंग दैट रीप मीन कट. ओके, सो एंड यू सी माई हार्वेस्ट व्हाट आई रीप. कहते हैं कि तुम देखो कि मेरी हार्वेस्ट देखो, मेरी फसल देखो, या व्हाट, लुक एट द रिवॉर्ड, लुक एट माई रिवॉर्ड. ठीक है, व्हाट आई रीप, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ द क्रॉप दैट आई हैव कट. ओके, नाउ अ ईयर इज रन. सो 1 year is complete now on this very day. So beta, I explained each word and now I will explain the whole stanza. ठीक है बेटा. So what we'll say that in these lines, the poet tells us that the public leader who was a patriot, he made false promises with his people. ठीक है, he assured them to do impossible deeds for him. He said that he could pluck sun from the sky for them. बट ही कुडंट कंप्लीट दोज इम्पॉसिबल थिंग्स। बेटा ये कि इंसान को ऐसे प्रॉमिसेस करने चाहिए, ठीक है, इन माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दैट ही कुड ईजीली यू कैन से फुलफिल। लेकिन उसने पैट्रियट ने क्या किया, दैट ही मेड इम्पॉसिबल थिंग्स, he tried to make and he promises the people that he would do impossible things for them, and what was the result? That he couldn't do that. So the result was that he was condemned. A year had passed since he made the promises with them. Now the people have turned against him because he didn't fulfill his promises. So the people were now against him. उसके लोग उसके खिलाफ हो गए. So they call him a traitor. This is the reward he is going to reap. ठीक है जी, ही इज़ द ऑथर ऑफ हिज ओन ट्रेजिडी। बेटा उसकी अपने जो उसकी जो ट्रेजिडी है, ही इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट ट्रेजिडी। वो अपनी ट्रेजिडी का अपने साथ उसके साथ हुआ, ही इज़ हिमसेल्फ इट्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल। ओके, लेट्स कम टू नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा। देयर इज नोबडी ऑन द हाउस टॉप्स नाउ, जस्ट a passing few at the windows set, for the best of the sight is all allow at the chambers gate, or better yet by the very scaffold's foot I trod. Now beta, very pathetic scene that now he is going to be, you can say, slaughtered। ठीक है, अब उसको बेटा या जो है वो स्लॉटर कह सकते हैं, या फिर उसको तख्ता है दार कह सकते हैं, ठीक है, उसको फांसी तक ले जाया जा रहा है। ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी, हाउस टॉप्स मीन ऑन द रूफ्स ऑफ द हाउस। ठीक है, there is nobody, of course there is nobody now, there is no one on the roofs of the houses to welcome and raise slogans for him। ठीक है, as he is remembering in the previous year what happened, that people were you can say gathered on the house roof and they were welcoming him। ठीक है, they were throwing roses in his way, so they were very mad for him। Okay, just mean only a passage mean beta those who are sick and ill, suffering from paralysis। ठीक है, ओके जी। विंडो सेट क्लोज टू द विंडोज ऑफ देयर हाउसेज। ठीक है, विंडो सेट मीन क्लोज टू द विंडोज ऑफ द हाउसेज के कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं बेटा जो कि अपनी विंडो के पास खड़े हैं। वो कौन से लोग हैं? हु आर पैरालाइज, हु कुडंट इवन वॉक। ठीक है, सो दे आर लुकिंग एट हिम। सो फॉर द बेस्ट ऑफ द साइट इज ऑल अलाउ। बेस्ट ऑफ द साइट मीन द बेस्ट ऑफ द साइट फॉर द पीपल इज द स्लॉटर हाउस। स्लॉटर हाउस किसको कहते हैं बेटा? ज़िबा खाना, जिसमें जानवरों को या इंसानों को कत्ल किया जाता है। ठीक है, उनकी कुर्बानी की जाती है। एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड शैम्बर्स गेट। ठीक है, शैम्बर्स गेट उसको कहा जाता है, जैसे कि ये पिक्चर में शो हो रहा है, ये आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे। सो इट इज़ अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ शैम्बर्स गेट। ओके, ऑल अलाउ, ऑल अलाउ मीन एक्नॉलेज। ठीक है, मानना, तस्लीम करना। It means that everybody acknowledges or believes the fact that the best place in the city is the slaughterhouse called Shammers Gate. So, better yet mean the more attractive place than the Shammers Gate is. अब Shammers Gate से ज़्यादा अच्छी जगह कौन सी है? Scaffold's foot. Scaffold mean machine for cutting द हेड ऑफ कल्प्रिट्स, जो कि बेटा जो कल्प्रिट्स होते हैं, जो मुजरिम होते हैं, उनको कत्ल करने के लिए एक मशीन होती है, इट इज़ कॉल्ड स्कैफोल्ड। ठीक है बेटा, एन एलिवेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म, एक चबूतरा सा होता है, प्लेटफॉर्म होता है, जैसे कि यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर। ओके, फुट मीन नीचे उसके जो पाँव के पास, ठीक है, उसके जो व्हील है उसके पास आप कह सकते हैं। दे कम क्लोज टू द स्कैफोल्ड टू सी हिम बीइंग एग्जीक्यूटेड। नाउ पीपल हैड कम क्लोज टू द स्कैफोल्ड। ठीक है बेटा, Trow mean I know, old English hanged। ठीक है बेटा, I trod mean I hanged। So what is the poet saying? That in these lines the popular public leader describes the reaction of the public to his tragic downfall। हम क्या कहेंगे? In these lines the poet is saying, the poet is explaining the reaction of the public to his tragic downfall। ठीक है, जो उसका tragic downfall हुआ था बेटा, उस पर जो reaction था लोगों का, वो दिखाया जा रहा है। People who welcomed him a year ago are now ready to hang him। He is declared a traitor। He is being taken to the gallows। gallows में बेटा फांसी के तख्ते को कहते हैं, gallows कह लें, शैम्बर्स गेट कह लें। ठीक है, is equal। Nobody comes to welcome him now। There is nobody on the top of the houses to raise slogans in favor of him। अब बेटा वहाँ पे क्या है? Only a few old men are looking at him through the windows of their houses। So the best place of sight for the public is a scaffold। scaffold है बेटा जहाँ पे he is being taken। So all the people have gathered there to see him hang. They come close to the stage and stand at the foot of the scaffold to see him quite closely. So beta, this is the scene that the difference, the author, the patriot, he is keeping in his mind the difference between his arrival and his departure. ठीक है बेटा, अपने अराइवल डिपार्चर का वो देख रहा है कि किससे वो सारा कुछ चेंज हो गया था ना. Stanza number 5. I go in the rain and more than needs, I'll drop cuts both my wrists behind, and in think by the fields my forehead bleeds, for they fling for whoever has a mind, stones at me for my years misdeed. Okay बेटा, अब क्या इसमें क्या कहा जा रहा है कि I go in the rain. So the political leader is being taken to the scaffold amidst rain. Rain में बेटा, it is raining and he is going to his, you can say, to meet his death, to say goodbye, to be said goodbye by the people. Okay. A rope cuts behind. Wrist बेटा क्या, उसकी कलाइयाँ जो हैं, more than needs, what adds more to more than needs, what adds more to his misery. Okay, so a rope cuts, his hands have been bound behind his back with a rope that is cutting his wrist. Mean to say कि बेटा उसके हाथों को पीछे से बांधा गया है रस्सी की मदद से, and that rope is cutting his wrist. Okay, by the field I feel whoever has a mind who has formed a bad opinion about it. Fling mean throw, ठीक है. For the fling mean throw. Whoever has a mind mean who has formed a bad opinion about him. Okay. Stones at me for my years misdeed. Misdeed mean beta bad deeds, the evil deeds committed by the political leader within the span of 1 year. एक साल के अंदर बेटा जो उसने बुरे काम किए या जो कि उनकी promises को पूरा ना कर सका, so they are his misdeeds. Okay बेटा. So what we can say that in these lines, the political leader stands cursed, and in this line what is the poet saying, that the political leader who was a patriot 1 year before, now he is being cursed and condemned by the people after a year. Okay? He is taken to the scaffold in rain. It is raining heavily now, and he is being taken to the scaffold to meet his death in the rain. His body is wet. His hands are bound by a strong rope from behind, and it is cutting his wrist. So it's mean beta he is feeling pain internally as well as externally. Internally to beta he is, you can say, broken by the attitude, by the behavior of the people, and in order to meet his end. So he is very confused, you can say he is very worried that what is happening with him, उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है. ठीक है. So he touches his forehead and he feels that it is bleeding. It's mean the people are throwing stones at him. No, that's why his forehead is bleeding. So the people who think that he has committed misdeeds during the last 1 year throw stones at him. So people are throwing stones at him because they are very furious at him. Okay, they are not happy with him, and that's why they are throwing stones. So beta, I think on the part of the people it is not a very good thing, na? Okay, if he is not, you can say, if he couldn't fulfill his promises, so they are throwing stones at him, they are taking him to the, you can say, gallows, and he is being hanged. So beta, I think people should consider it. ना उसको थोड़ा सा देखना चाहिए लोगों को. Okay, last stanza beta. Thus I entered and thus I go. In times people have dropped down dead, paid by the world. What dost thou owe me? God my question. Now instead God shall repay. I am safer so. Last stanza beta. ठीक है बेटा. अब इसमें क्या कह रहे हैं पोइट कि thus in this way, ठीक है, thus in this way here he entered into political and public life with great enthusiasm. Thus he entered and thus I go mean कि इस तरह से बेटा वो आया और इस तरह से वो गया, कि he came in like a victorious person and now he is going back like a falling man, ठीक है, like a failure person. Today he is living the public life with utter degradation. ठीक है बेटा. In times people have dropped down dead. In times mean in moment of victory. Okay, people have dropped down dead mean there are people who achieve great victory of the struggle before they die. पीपल हैव ड्रॉप डाउन डेड, कि कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं बेटा, दे आर वेरी लकी दैट दे गेट विक्ट्री बिफोर डाइंग, मरने से पहले उनको जो है इनके स्ट्रगल का सिला मिल जाता है, बट दे आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल. Paid by the world means they get a reward of the struggle in the world. The people continue to regard them as their hero. So such heroes in history are rewarded in the world. Okay beta. What does thou owe? It's mean if he had got the reward in his world, God would not reward him in the next world. ठीक है बेटा. What does thou owe? कि अगर वो उसे इस दुनिया में ही सारा कुछ मिल जाएगा तो अगली दुनिया में उसके लिए क्या रहेगा. Me, God might question now instead. इट्स गॉड शैल पे, कहते हैं खुदा ही है जिस जो कि इसका मुझे सिला देगा. आई एम सेफर सो, क्योंकि मैं बहुत मजबूत हूँ, या ये कि मैं अब महफूज हूँ उस चीज़ से. ठीक है बेटा. सो लेट्स सी दैट इन दिस लाइन्स व्हाट इज़ द पोएट एक्सप्लेनिंग दैट द पॉलिटिकल लीडर एंटर द पॉलिटिकल लाइफ विद ग्रेट pomp and show. After a year he said farewell to his political career with great degradation. Degradation होती है बेटा जिल्लत. ठीक है. He did not meet a good end. He was stoned and taken to the gallows at the end of 1 year for his misdeeds. He thought that the people who lost their lives in the struggle of glory were blessed. At last they were rewarded by the people in this material world. So there are people who are rewarded in this world, and this world is materialistic. So they are given the reward of their struggle in this world. So he says that he consoled himself by saying that he would be rewarded by God for his services to the people. His people were not grateful to him कि बेटा वो अब क्यों, why he satisfied that he would be paid by the God and it is a better reward as compared to the world. That's why beta he is quite satisfied that he would be paid back by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day of judgment. ठीक है बेटा. लास्ट डे जब होगा तो वो उसमें अल्लाह ताला से उसको रिवॉर्ड देंगे, दुनिया वाले उसको रिवॉर्ड नहीं दे सकते. सो बेटा दिस वाज द पोइम एंड यू कैन से दैट द पोइट वाज वेरी, यू कैन से सक्सेसफुल इन एक्सप्लेनिंग द ट्रेजिक downfall of a patriot and how a patriot turned into traitor. It is explained, it is narrated very well by the poet. So beta it's enough for today and I hope that all of you have well understood. So beta inshallah in the next lecture I shall start something new. Till then stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.